Hi, so what we're going to look at now is how to find your store URL and your collaborator code in Shopify. These can be really, really useful if you're ever working with a Shopify partner. So first of all, the store URL, it's as simple as logging in, and you just need to look up at the address bar. So you'll see this structure here, admin.shopify.com/store, and then this string here, this piece of text, that will be your store URL. So this is the reference inside Shopify for your store. Now, this can be different to the main domain that you're using, and this is the information that probably a Shopify partner will need to access your store. So you can simply copy that and send that through. The next part is onto the collaborator code. So you'll need to go into settings first of all, and then you'll scroll down to users and permissions. And you'll scroll through, you'll see yourself as a store owner, and you'll see some information about any staff members that you have. And you'll come to this collaborators section. And here you'll find your collaborator request code. So you can simply copy and share that code. If you've shared this code with people before and you're getting requests from people that you're not really sure they actually are genuinely wanting to work on your store, or you don't have any connection with them, then you can always come in here and generate a new code. In fact, we recommend doing that every few months or so, just as a precaution. And that's it. You now have your collaborator code and you have the store URL. So a partner can request access and begin working.